Hi Hussein, thank you so much for joining here with this today's a kind of interview. It's not a technical interview. I know that you are working as a Oracle DBA, and I just want to tell you for all the viewers, those who are looking to this video. So Hussein, she has been trained under me a few months back, and now she's working as a Oracle DBA. Hussein is here today to tell us about like how is the work culture at Oracle DBA, what is our roles and responsibility. So we are going to discuss all these things with this today's kind of lectures, you can say, or whatever it is you can call it as. So thank you so much, Hussein, for being here with me.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for inviting me to join this interview. And I would like to thank you for giving me, like, I'm very kind of blessed person that I got training of Oracle DBA under you. After searching so many institutes in Pune, Mumbai, I called you one day and just you told me that there is nothing to worry about. You will train me for the Oracle DBA. As Oracle DBA field was actually very new for me. I am also from IT background, but Oracle DBA is a vast technology. Like, it's not a kind of single Oracle. It's a Linux also, Oracle also, SQL also. So a person who wants to become Oracle DBA should have little bit knowledge about this Oracle DBA field. So all I think uh, when I joined your classes, so slowly I got understood all the things that how we learn Oracle DBA from basic to advanced.
It's been a long time, I believe, right? Almost 6 months back, or maybe more than that, right?
Yeah, so in the starting of January 2021, I think.
January 2021. Okay. So now currently you're working as a Oracle DBA, and that too with the company where I believe you don't need to go to the office. It's
Yeah.
completely work from home, and that is what you were expecting. So
Yes.
one good thing which I want to tell to the viewers, like there are a lot of companies out there where you don't need to go to office also because of this COVID situation. Many companies, they are working from home, and now Hussein, where she is working, it's a completely uh, again a company where you don't need to go to office. It will be lifetime work from home culture, so you don't need to spend money on your rent. You don't need to purchase a house also outside, so that's a very good news, right? Like a lot of other things, you can save a lot of money in your pocket. That's really matters. So, Hussein, I want to understand, like, can you tell me about like how you prepare yourself for this Oracle DBA from starting till you get selected? What are all sources? What are all things you have gone through it? Can you just brief it a little bit?
Yeah, actually, when I joined your classes, so that time I was zero knowledge. I don't have that time any kind of knowledge regarding the Oracle DBA.
Okay.
Just a basic Oracle that I have learned from my college. That's it. After joining your classes, the video we are getting after the classes. So I used to watch that video 4 to 5 times daily.
Okay.
Just a matter. You have taken a class and continuously I used to see that one particular lecture 4 to 5 times because the technology was very new for me.
Okay.
So just I have seen so many students in our class that when you are teaching something they are interfering and see how what is this command, what is the use. So my method was like, after your classes I will watch all the videos 4 to 5 times, and after that if I get any kind of query regarding that particular topic, then I used to talk to you or message you like, I'm facing here the difficulties like this. So first we have to understand what is, because when we are a fresher or a new learner, we don't understand the technology on the first lecture.
Correct. Correct.
There were so many questions in our mind. So for new learners or beginners, those who wants to join the Oracle DBA, so they need to have some kind of patience.
Correct. Correct. That is absolutely.
And when once you understand one lecture or one topic, then for that you can refer our Oracle Learnomate website also, where all the commands are given. On 4 to 5 other also good Oracle DBA websites are there, so you can learn material from them also. Okay, what are the basics, and then you can prepare for the interview for topic wise.
Okay.
Because if you are a fresher, so they will ask question. I face this thing, like if we are showing the experiences 1 or 2 6 months, so they ask only basic questions regarding like in our 1 to 10th lecture, what are we studied, what is this multi-text user management is the most important part. So there are 4 to 5 topics that are basically they ask during the interview when you join as a fresher, or for if you are showing the experience more than 2.5 or 3 years, then they will jump to the data guard or backup commands like what is export, import, all this. So I have given 2 to 3 interviews, so I notice their pattern, like how they ask the question. They are always topic wise. And our video lectures, so whatever you teach us was always like the means like same pattern, basic to advanced.
Okay.
So it will help, like you always teach us like a topic wise. So it is very helpful for us to understand each and every topic, and then we got into details like what is this topic all about. So this way I have repeated the things for like 6 months almost.
Okay. Oh, it was a long journey then.
Yeah.
Long journey. So basically, see, 2-3 points which I really want to tell to the viewers also, which you have explained very cleanly. Like, see, one thing is that every person should have patience. When people are coming back to me and they are saying that how much time it will take me to get a good job, to get me a job in Oracle DBA, we cannot commit any one time, right? See, I don't know you personally how much time you are going to take. You have taken 6 months. Some people will take 1 year also. Some people will take 2 years also. Some people will get selected within 2 months also. So there is one person, he got selected today. I just saw his message. His name is Satish. So he got selected as a Oracle DBA within 1 month only. He did not take much time also. It's all depend upon person to person. It's all depend upon, sometimes it is also depend on luck also, whether you are getting that company call on the same time. So all these factors are playing a very, very important role. Again, do you remember your first interview as a Oracle DBA? I feel like, most of the time what people are saying me that they don't know the question itself. Even the question will not understand when you are giving the first interview. Have you observed something like that? When you are giving your first interview as Oracle DBA, you didn't understand the question itself.
Actually, my first interview was with Cognizant.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. And that time I was very afraid that I'm appearing for the first time. And that time I'm also very confident also.
Okay.
I can crack this interview. But when the interviewer started questioning, he started also from the basics.
Okay.
So how do you manage these things? How you can handle the OEM?
Okay.
So you have taught each and everything in detail. But when they ask questions, so it's sometimes I don't know what we call it, but
they'll try to trick it. They will try to make it like a complex or kind of scenario based. When you are not working with real-time scenarios, obviously, like you are learning the technology. So we feel like, okay, it's very difficult, but we are nearby only. We know the answer, but that time, suddenly the answer will not come. That's also one big issue.
They actually try to gain that, like you have working, you are really working as an Oracle DBA, or if you are a fresher, then they also ask basic question, but actually I was showing experience more than 2 years.
Okay.
So they are more interested in knowing my knowledge, real-time knowledge.
Okay.
So actually you also taught us like how to handle the OEM and
Correct.
how to start and shut down the DBs.
Right.
So they ask like more question like their practical knowledge they needed.
Okay. Okay.
So in our lectures, I think there everything was covered, but I was not able to give the answer due to that time. This was my first interview, so that time it was my mistake. Otherwise, I have noticed that all the questions are covered under our lectures.
So how many interviews you have given?
Yeah, one thing in the interview series that I have joined yours.
That
most of the questions, most of the questions were from that, and all that series I have seen 10 to 12 times.
Oh, that Learnomate on my website. Interview preparation
series.
Course is available.
Yes.
Correct.
Because the questions are specific and your answers are also specific to particular questions.
Correct. So those questions I got it from the people like you only. Those people who are already gone through the interviews. Even I have personally gone through multiple interviews. So all these questions I collected, and I'm now updating also as much as I can. Yeah, and that's nice to see. People are getting a lot of knowledge by looking to those interview question series also. So that's really good.
No, even till now, I am regularly watching your website and all the interviews and series because most of the time I'm stuck when some query or tickets I got. So I used to see our lectures and then I understand, okay, I have to do this like this.
So how many interviews you have given?
Maximum I have 3 interviews. Cognizant, in that I was totally blank. And then a TechBerry, and then Myris and my company.
Okay. That's nice. So within 3 companies, you are able to crack the things, and whatever you want, your dream company as per your comfort zone, you are getting that. That's nice to see. So like now you're working as a Oracle DBA. It's been almost 9 months, right? You are selected. How many months you have?
3 months.
3 months. 3 months, right? Okay. So what's your daily routine? What you do as a Oracle DBA nowadays? Daily routine, like starting from once you logged in, from the time till the end. What you do?
I'm working on shift basis.
Okay.
There are 4 shifts: early day, and late shift and night shift. 4 shifts.
Okay. But you're working from home, right? You're working from home.
I'm working from home. So there is no need. We just have to log in to the particular time.
Correct. Okay.
And first of all, when we join our shift, so my first task is to check my tickets on ServiceNow. So every Oracle DBA should have the knowledge of the ServiceNow ticketing tool.
Oh, that's nice. So you are using ServiceNow in your company for ticketing purpose.
In my interview, they also asked me like, do you have the knowledge of the ServiceNow? So you have showed us like how we handle ticket, kind of tickets, P1, P2, P3, what kind of issues we have to handle. So same answer I have given in that interview. They asked 2 things in like ServiceNow and OEM.
Okay.
Because most of the time we have to work with the tickets, and if you want to know anything about the DBs, how much DBs we have, what are the server names, so we use OEM for that. So
you have ServiceNow for your ticketing purpose, and OEM you're using for your monitoring of your databases.
Yes.
Okay.
Because the company operating, I think, more than 2000 DB, so the OEM is compulsory for them.
Oh, that's nice, sir. So you have all the standalone database, or you have data guard and a RAC is also there?
Standalone, RAC, and data guard.
Okay, everything is available. That's good. So you are getting the exposure with the multiple database, like 2000 database means it's a very good count. And what type of tickets you are getting nowadays? What you have observed like regularly?
Like as I am working as a junior Oracle DBA, so mostly here is no restriction. If you can solve P1, you can there are no objection like you can't solve the P1 or you have to handle with the P3.
Okay.
If you are okay with P1, then it's good. Otherwise, our seniors are there, so they handle. So if you want to, basically they what is our task is to check the service now and the mostly P3, P4, P5 tickets.
Okay, so might be you are getting the tickets related to the user management, schema refresh, right? All those tickets, table spaces might be, right?
Yeah, table spaces, this group.
This group, okay.
Because all if you are RAC, then it's the ASM is important.
Okay, okay. So what you want to suggest to the people who want to start their career as a Oracle DBA, like anything you want to highlight which will help them?
Like Oracle DBA is a career like for girls or boys, those are working or those are freshers. If they have a good knowledge or command over IT like languages, or if they don't have the command over the like IT languages like our C, C++, and Oracle SQL. So if they want to join this Oracle DBA field, they can enter, because when we start working as an Oracle DBA, just we have to understand the SQL, Linux, and Oracle.
Correct, correct, correct.
So all these things are very easy if we give 1 or 2 months time. So Oracle DBA is a field that is open for all fields. Like a mechanical engineer can also become, because I'm seeing that mechanical engineers are also
working as Oracle DBA.
Yes, working as an Oracle DBA. And normal person who are who have done the like MSc computers or something, they are also moving towards the Oracle DBA. So this field is open for all categories.
Right, right. You know, especially what happened, like those people who cannot understand the languages like Java or .NET, C, C++, obviously, you know, they can easily move to this Oracle DBA, because obviously it's an administration job. Now, most of the time the things will be repetitive. If you know how to install Oracle database, then Oracle database installation is same. You do it today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the process is going to be same. It is not going to change. So there is not a development work, it's an administration work. So that is why, you know, these technologies, you can say that it is easy to understand compared to the development. And anyone who is having gap, whether it is any person from any respective technology, they can jump into this IT career by looking to this Oracle DBA. So that's one thing. And the preparation, like what you said, that you have gone through the multiple interviews, you have gone through my interview question series also. Again, training that obviously help you to start your career. So that's nice to see. And I'm really grateful, you know, when I see a candidate like you, you know, getting trained under me and now working with the very good companies with the good salary, with your comfort zone, because I know you're like, you don't want to go outside, you want to work from your home only. So fortunately, all these things are happening with you. And I'm really, I'm, you know, blessed also. I can say that because of you people only I'm here. Otherwise, I don't know what to say. That's really nice. Anything?
Actually, I have seen many websites and trainers, but sometimes it happens like you are not comfortable with the trainer. Once you are comfortable, you can understand what he's seeing. What means there is a teacher and student type of relation should be there.
Correct.
The teacher should teach each and every topic in detail, and a student should also put his efforts. It's not a one-side work like you have taught us everything and we are just saying, sir, we are not getting the job, we are not getting job. Not like that. We should put efforts from our side also.
That is really important. You know, when any person is getting selected, it is not because of me. It is about the 50-50%, you can say, or most of the time it is efforts that you have put from your side, like the candidates' efforts only. I'm really fortunate to tell to my all the viewers that, you know, every day my people are getting selected to each and every other company. You are selected, many people are getting selected. 3 4 days back, one of my candidates, she has selected with the Oracle company as a Oracle DBA. So everyone want to join the company, product based company. So I'm really grateful and feeling like, how people are getting selected, they are financially becoming strong also, and it is all because of their efforts only. And thank you so much, Hussein, also for sharing your all of these experiences with my people. And obviously, those people who are watching this video right now, they will be feeling more inspired by looking to the candidates like you. And I'm really thankful for you to give your, again, I know that you need to work now, your shift will start very soon, and still you are here with me. I'm really, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me.